Are you dreaming of living, working, or studying in states but feeling overwhelmed by the visa process? Don't worry, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will unlock the secrets to navigate US visa categories, reveal insider tips to increase your approval chances, and even show you the best paths to secure a green card. Stay with me. This video can change your life. B1 or B2 visa, also called visitor visa. This visa is for tourism, business, or medical purpose. Key requirements include providing strong ties to your home country, sufficient financial resources, and clear purpose of visit. Prepare documents like property ownership or employment contracts to establish ties. Avoid overstaying previous visas and answer the questions about your trip itinerary confidentiality. B2 visa, that's also called tourist visa. This is for tourism. Key requirements include providing strong ties to your home country, sufficient financial resources, clear purpose for visit, and prepare documents like property ownership, employment contracts to establish your ties. Avoid overstaying previous visas and answer the questions about your trip itinerary confidentiality. Remember, B1 and B2 visas are only for tourists or for business or medical purpose like visitor visas. They do not directly go to the green card path. So do not think about green card if you are on the visitor visa. This is specially designed for full-time academic studies in US F1 visa. Applicants must secure admission to an approved school, demonstrate financial resources and proficiency in English. They need to pay the fees before interview and carry proof of acceptance for funding and emphasize your plans to return to your home country after graduation to satisfy the non-immigrant intent. But after completion of their studies, these F1 visa holders can work on OPT, that is optional practice training, and then qualify for the green card as well. J1. This visa supports cultural exchange programs like internship, research, or training. Ensure your program is approved by the Department of States and meet two-year home residency rule for if applicable. Secure sponsorship documentations and prepare to explain the exchange program's benefit to your home country. Also remember, J1 visa holders are subjected to 2 years of home residency requirement if applicable. They need to fulfill it or they need to get a waiver and then they can apply for the green card as well. H1, a visa for professionals in specialty field, especially the field of science, tech, or others. Applicants need a bachelor degree or equivalent or a valid job offer from US employers. Employer must file a labor certification for you and prove the job meets the specialty criteria. Early applicants during the annual cap period can increase your chances. Remember, H-1B visa holders can apply for the employment-based green cards, often through EB2 or EB3 categories. O1. O visa is extraordinary ability, reserved for the individuals with these abilities in art, science, business, athletics, or education. Evidence can include major awards, published work, significant contributions to your field, and strong recommendation letter from the industry leaders are crucial to get this visa. Your transition to EB1 visa from extraordinary ability can lead to the green card acquisition. Next, we'll talk about K1 visa or fiancé visa. For fiancé of US citizen, submit evidence of a bona fide relationship such as photos, travel history, or communications. Plan your wedding within 90 days of entry. Ensure you meet in person within the last 2 years before applying unless exempted. After marriage, apply for the adjustment of status and get the green card. IR1 or CR1 visa, that's called marriage visa, granted to the spouse of US citizen. The marriage must be genuine and legally valid. Submit documents like joint lease, bank account, and wedding photos. CR visa are conditional and valid for 2 years. This visa itself leads to lawful permanent residence. Next, we are going to talk about investor visa. For nationals of treaty countries who invest a substantial amount in United States business, submit a comprehensive business plan outlining financial projections and job creations. Funds must be at risk and traceable. This visa allows for business growth in industry like tech and renewable energy. EB2 does not directly lead to green card, but may lead to EB5 if investment is increased to meet the threshold. Here is EB5 visa. EB5 visa requires at least $1 million investment or $800,000 investment targeted employment area in United States business and create at least 10 jobs. Choose the regional center projections or projects for streamlining approval and compliance with the job creation rules. Provide proof of the lawful sources of the fund. This visa directly leads to the permanent residence. Next is EB1 visa or priority worker visa. The EB1 visa is prestigious immigration pathway for individuals with extraordinary ability, outstanding professors, researchers, multinational executives. It provides a direct route to the green card without requiring the labor certification, makes it faster and more streamlined than other options. Applicant must meet specific criteria based on their categories. Those with extraordinary abilities, EB1A can self-petition without a job offer by presenting evidence such as major awards, significant publications, or other exceptional achievements. Outstanding professors or researchers, EB1B, need a permanent job offer and at least 3 years of experience along with proof of recognition in their field. Multinational executives or managers must demonstrate at least 1 year of managerial work with qualifying multinational company from the same organization. U visa. This anyone from anywhere who is victim of a crime, from Afghanistan, from Iraq, from Bosnia, from any country. If you are victim of any crime, you can apply for U visa. Remember, this visa is different from asylum. Then we have L1 visa, intra-company transfer. For transferring employees to a United States branch of the same company, applicant must have worked for the company abroad for at least 1 year in the last 3 years in a managerial or specialized role. Documents the company's relationship and also you have to show your role in detail to get this visa. Please subscribe the channel for more exciting videos and contents that can change your life. Now, let's talk about the best visas for long-term stay and green card. EB1, EB5, IR1 or CR1 marriage visa and H1B visa are the best visa categories for long-term stay and to ultimately get a green card. A random draw for nationals of eligible countries with low immigration rate to United States. Applicants must meet education or work experience requirement. Double check your application for accuracy and apply during the official registration period. Another way is to get asylum visa for individuals facing persecution based on racism, religion, nationality, political opinion, or social group. They can apply within 1 year of arrival in US. Provide the evidence of persecution like police report, witness affidavit, and seek the legal assistance to strengthen your case. And you can get the asylum visa here. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks. Prove